Okay, dear students, in our previous class, we have discussed and it is continuing still today about the topic the silver box. A drama. Okay. In this drama, we have discussed about the characters. Some of the characters are leading to the drama, and the whole drama is moving around the silver box. Silver box is stolen by someone from the house of John Bartley. John Bartley. It is been explained about the silver box. Now today here I am standing before you to tell the character sketch. Character sketch. Character sketch of John Bartley. Number 2, Mrs. Jones. Okay, these two characters are very important, and the whole drama is moving all around the stolen silver box from the house of John Bartley. Now, let's we discuss about the John Bartley. John Bartley means without having a word about the Bartley, we can't sketch his characters. So let's we find some words for him. He was a prosperous, wealthy, and rich. Okay, this is the first one. Now see the second one. He is an MP, means member of parliament. Okay, so from which party does he belong to? He belongs to Liberal Party. Okay, and as earlier I have mentioned you, the whole drama is moving towards the stolen silver box. So justify the character sketch of John Bartley. Let's be ready to understand it. First, John Bartley. John Bartley was a prosperous, wealthy, and rich man of London. He is an MP or member of Parliament. He belongs to the Liberal Party. But when the stolen silver box case go to the court of London Police. London Police Court, the scene of London Police Court, and it is the scene of London Police Court. Okay, London Police Court. the hearing is held. Before the hearing of the stolen silver box, the hearing of two little children was running in the court before the magistrate. Magistrate hearing the case of two little children. Those two little children were orphans, and it is being noticed and pleaded by the solicitor that these two children are found on street wandering here and there. Okay, and his father is their father is jobless, and their mother run away with a man that is unknown to the court and the family members. His father means their father of the children pleaded in his defense that he has no job. So it is very difficult for him to take care of these children. How will he be able to take care of the children? Because he is jobless and have nothing to maintain the family, because he is jobless. Second, and he cannot manage the livelihood of the children and their education, clothing and sale. This is very difficult for him. Now, second hearing was the stolen silver box. This silver box was stolen from the house of John Bartwick, who was prosperous, wealthy and rich man of the London. He is an MP belonging to the Liberal Party, and how he managed to hindrance or hushed up the assault of his son Jack. He hushed up the stolen reticule and the stolen silver box from his house. The case was heard by the magistrate, and he found that the whole guilty of the assault is being imposed on the Mr. Jones, and he hushed up the reality of the stolen silver box, though he knew well that the box was stolen. It is not stolen by anyone. It is being misplaced during the drunken state of the Jack, who came late at night in the house, and Mr. Jones helped him to open the lock of the house, and both of them sick and drunk again, and by mistake Mr. Jones took the reticule full of the money and the cigarette silver box. Along with cigarette silver box, he put in his overcoat pocket and went out. But the next day, it is being noticed, and Roper sent by the John Bartwick to the house of Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones was suspicious there, because Mrs. Jones was the maid servant in the house of the John Bartwick. John Bartwick sent the Roper to see whether the silver box is stolen by the Mrs. Jones or not. But at the moment when the Roper means a police, when he reached the house of Mrs. Jones, he found that a silver box and a reticule was discovered or found in the house of the Mrs. Jones. So, who was the assault of the stealing silver box and reticule was the Jack. But his father, John has done before the court, and it is the difference between the rich and poor. Rich people always used to show their richness before the people, and it happened during the 20th century. That is the Charles Burdey, who have written this drama, wanted to expose the society of the 20th century in the British London. The whole society was divided into two parts. However, the justice and the judiciary system, even justice and judiciary system of London was sold out, and these people were the responsible for this. So it is the character of John Barthwick. Now after this I will say the character of Mrs. Jones, which is also very important for you. So now I summarize within 2 minutes to you that John Barthwick, who is John Barthwick, what was he, and from which party does he belong to. These are the main things, and you have to set up your mood and emotions, and I need your comment also sometimes if you think so, and keep it in your mind that you have to write the character sketch of John Barthwick in your own words. Thanks for today. Thank you.